My name is Ankit Kumar and I'm going to explain my INT219 project, which is a web page on restaurant management system. So this is the GitHub link to host my web page, and this is the home page of my restaurant management system. Here I added a Google map, and I used CSS, JavaScript, and I also used Bootstrap, which is an open source front end framework for website and web application development. I used Bootstrap for his famous and commonly used templates and design layouts. And here I use JavaScript for the picture slide, and I added this Google map from the maps and embed map. Here you can copy this link to add a Google map on your web page. And I also added a customer support. Here the customers can contact us, and I used I and span element for the icons of Twitter and Google and Instagram or Facebook. And in explore button I added some list of restaurant which is available in Punjab, Jalandhar. So this is the list of the restaurants, and here I also added the customer support. And in login section I made a login page using JavaScript and CSS. Here I also used Bootstrap, and I did the validation using JavaScript. Like here you written something in email, but you doesn't add it at the rate, so it gives you a pop-up that please include an at the rate in email section. So this is all about my INT219 project. I hope you like this. So thank you and have a nice day.